there's 2 cars.
That's cute.
Yep. Good memory.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can have the new one. I'll take the old one.
What else is in here, Liam? There's more. Oh, and
Whoa.
Yeah, since when is a kid gonna like books?
open.
It's a box of long matches.
Is that a candle?
Yeah, and a candle. Matches and a candle from Grandma.
Fix the fun. Yeah.
You pull.
Oh, that's what it's You know what it is, right?
Do you know, Liam?
It's a train whistle.
Oh, sorry.
Train whistle.
You do it.
You can't even do it. I love the